Ngayong araw sa atin lahat mga classmate, i-share ko lang ang kwento tungkol dito sa 1974 day penny na Abraham Lincoln. Mayroon palang magandang kwento ito mga classmate. Babasahin ko lang at para mapakinggan ninyo at malaman ang tungkol dito sa 1974 day penny ay napakamahal pala. Kakalaga ng $2 million. Wow, sarap pakinggan no? At ito yan mga classmate. La Hula Caliph to the most people. A 1974 Denver mint mark. Penny is worth 1 cent for one San Diego man. It could fetch millions. Randy Lawrence found out the penny left to him 30 years ago by his father. Maybe worth anywhere from $250,000 up to $2 million. My God, ang laki. Lawrence told to KFMB TV that for years the unique penny was left inside the plastic sandwich bag with the several other coins collected by his father. Lawrence's dad served as the deputy superintendent of the Denver Mint. Trabante nga pala yung tatay niya. So ito naman si Macwell naman. Macwell discovered the coins was a 1974 day. Ito yon, 1974 day, Denver mint mark. A 1974 day aluminum penny, aluminum pala. Only 10 of them, the coins were ever made, and it was believed that all of them were destroyed. The coins were made as a test, but they didn't work in the bending machine and didn't show up in an X-ray. Ayun pala mga classmate. Kaya mahal pala kasi aluminum pala yung hinahanap nila. Pero ito, mas magandang koleksyon na rin ito kasi ito yung 1974 Denver mint mark. Magandang koleksyon din ito. So kailangan lang natin dito ipagraduhan natin ito. Kailangan natin na ito ng grading para mabenta siya sa napakataas na halaga. Millions dollars. Ito yung harapan niya, si Abraham Lincoln. At mayroong nakalagay na In God We Trust, mayroong liberty dito sa bandang kaliwa. At 1974 Denver mint mark, sa baba naman yung day. At sa likod naman ito yung kanyang tirahan. Nakalagay ay United States of America Memorial. Yun yung tirahan niya dati. Diyan siya nakatira si Abraham. 1 cent Abraham Lincoln 1 cent penny. So yun lang mga classmate, maraming salamat sa panonood at sana ay nasa mabuting kalagayan tayong lahat. God bless.